Ebusuafo ya mahum nyara akwaba ba efua Ajumakodo. Inde so ode ya mahum update usande hum nyara hum di hen efiri akiri no. Hum yim de eye big push akwantemkon a ofi Mankessim obodu Ajumako na Mankessim-Ajumako-Agona Swedru no. De mabri oyaja orokodo. Na de di Ajuma na edu no ode ya mahum nyara update na akwentufo a mudi hen efiri akiri no. Humbo huma orokodo ofi. Ebusuafo dwumadi ne di ogudo a orokodo na aso akwensidi kakra na aba homa de mabri dwumedi no etum atwentwen ne nan ase se diwanyi trem wo be fi krum eye ochi nsu a oda ho no chede nsu a ototo nansen no ama ma ochi nsu no aba ma chede bibie nsu na nem no ofa no ebu afado a de mabri bridge a wo ye na wode ato ochene do no ama ma dwumedi na atwentwen ne nan ase de mara so ne bepu emu Ajumako ochi so nsu a eno so ochi nsu yi bi da ho a eno so amama dwumedi no atwentwen ne nan ase dem akwensidi ana ohaw a wa be no amama contractor wo frɛ no Messrs Speedway Construction Limited no dem abri nim free bibre a odiri adwuma no aja wa park osande nsu ato mafom ayembre dem nti onya aja machines no obotum wa fakwan no do na bibia a wode wo yinsese na dwumedi no otum kodo no obotum wa kodo ebusuafo dem abri ye starting hen journey no fi Gomua Infanteman a owo Gomua West District a dem abri ye di hen enyitrim wo Agona Swedru na ye kedi hen dwume bi wo ho na ebusuafo abra ye kɔ na Mankessim-Akwan no do aye no ene ese wode ma hom update na hom so ahom di yen efiri akira abibia mo pede munya update wo big push agenda road initiative a omanpenin John Dramani Mahama ode abobo ade a Infanteman mfimfin mantom Ajumako enya ne siam Gomua West na Agona East na ade no obia obenya dem akwani be no ene ode ma hom update na abribiara muhuma orokodo dem abri se contractor a wo frɛ no Speedway Construction Limited dem abri se opini no otehen ka wo hen efiri a ebesre no dem esma nsuna ato ema bibia ode ne nsa aka adwuma no ho no a nsuna re hawadwen ebesre ne denka onfi ho na onfa ne nkyire mu bibia nsunu on hawadwen na onkɔtwe adwumedi ne do na se nsunu kofoma wa sannechi waba na wabeye nsisi wodwuma a wode wodi no sande akwentufo a wofa Swedru na ebinum otwa do besi Ajumako na wodu ho so a ebinum wokɔ Mankessim asin fosu takra de na kumase na ade no obiara no ho botum ato no se wonsa ka video ya bombodin na hye osande dwumedi a efu Ajumako yedi no yediresom Infanteman Ajumako enyan esiaman Ghana man na wiase amanso nyinara se wonsa ka video na hwe na so yo fa wa ment na do bombodin na hye na wonu ya biso nya bi nhwe update se onye ahen na yede bebre wa inya wo bibiara aha ye efua Ajumako helping for love to sin no more helping not to head to the side love the sun is shining but no hair to make I'm still farming but no fruit to bear I'm still learning so no time to fail anymore yeah, small boy with a big dream yeah, small boy with a big dream yeah, small boy with a big dream yeah, small boy with a big dream.
Everything in this world is all about timing. City bills, I move from street to the jungle. This kid, I work so hard without rush. Die hard, big guy to Tetakwasi for giving me this good feeling. Hey, what did let's do this? I used to walk 1,000 miles away from home in pursuit of a breakfast. Life was so tedious, so never got peace, even to make plans. Disgrace and heartbreak from my loved ones after we did our best part. Maybe they feel the one they sick, I won't count no chance for it, I've been a real fat. Through the stress episode, I used to put pretty far away. Try hard just to make sure there's no trouble on my way. I fought through many hard times, got this life no pain no gain. I died hard in the jungle cause I can see save life every day. Gotta find me sending purpose, I use determination and focus. I worked hard to survive my family to feel as we are to cost. I use all my strength and effort cause no brother she been Lagos. So this time if it hits me I will never mind cause all this bogus. From a Brian 1 and 2K I so painful sometimes even cry few things that can never then no way. I spent my whole life in hardship the whole day and I will never sleep much pain was in my heart I was okay. You won't hate me feel you know where I'm coming from. You see that I deserve this all cause there was that we've been through before. So this time we are feeling no more. You won't you know where I'm coming from. You see that I deserve this all, cause there was nothing we've been through before. So this time we are failing no more. No more. This time we ain't failing no more. Before you paint me, bro, make sure you don't forget Rosie boy. I was trained from the jungle. You have no idea about princess or phrase that I used before I won this battle. I trained hard to knock down many champions before I was given this title. So this time I'm so wide, so make you never try that. You're gonna be the obstacle. I came from a long way. I work for some people that pay. I walk through clock, I lay down the walk from Nungwa to my net in those days. So you can never pray my pray, cause so deep, never get the fantasy. I'm grateful that I she goes through. I made life so simple for me these days. I'm gonna move to finish every project, taking the whole world, that be the target. 1 ton of cocoa, money is the budget. So this time I'm feeling on my pocket. When I'm doing daily bread, you pay asset. We did so, but the junkie soldiers. You try me, I gonna lose your feathers. Cause I make it count in every seconds. I'm a strong black man, no matter how shake, I'm not falling. Die hard, baby, you do when I'm mobile 5 star, but you're penny 7. You've tired of the shit that you heard from full through over dependent. So I use every tactic that I know to make all these dreams happen. From a blind one to gain, I so painful sometimes. Even cry if you think that can never, then no way. I spent my whole life feeling hardship the whole day, and I never sleep. Much pain was in my heart, I was okay. You won't hate me, feel you know where I'm coming from. You see that I deserve this all, cause there was nothing we've been through before. So this time we are failing no more. You won't hate me, feel you know where I'm coming from. You see that I deserve this all, cause there was nothing we've been through before. So this time we are failing no more. No more. This time we ain't failing no more. From a blind one to gain, I so painful sometimes. You even cry if you think that can never, then no way. I spent my whole life in the hardship the whole day, and I never sleep. Much pain was in my heart, I was okay. Biscuit beat.
It's about chilling on this, yeah.
But if for Rich Media Records, the game.
So many things I get in my mind, but never talk. But sometimes my mom wanna talk, but Charlie no be this time. So many things I get in my mind, but never talk. But sometimes my mom wanna talk, but Charlie no be this time. So help me get money, feed my mom. Help me need this alright alone. Help me for love to sin no more. Help me not to head to those I love. The sun is shining.